Jesus. Right, I am gonna code it straight onto one of these. Right, let's do this. Using our... Let's put the original key into there. Oh, let's read that. I need a little ring thing, one of them. This is the definition of organised chaos. And we also need a badge. Connected, but can't visit the internet. Why, bro? Let's just try it, see what happens. Nice. Inside. Customer wants to pay via card as well. Let's get that ready. Right, we'll put the new key in there. It's going to write all of the data to the new transponder in the key. Once it says complete, awesome. So I can now turn this off. Let's go and check it works. We'll program the remote in as well because this is not coded yet. So we'll key the ignition 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Locks and unlocks. And make sure it starts. Awesome. Hey!
You're not done already?
I am done already. Come and have a go.
Oh, wow.
I'll hold this one so you won't get confused. Just
Right,
put that on
okay,
there for a second, alright?
That's great, that
Awesome.
works.
Wicked. I've got a card machine here if you want to do...
what it was...
Yep.
Well, sorry, I'll go on a
That's
bit.
alright.
What it was it came apart. Oh, you've actually put...
Yeah, put a keyring on it. Yeah. See, I'll supply all the bells and the whistles.
I'm so grateful.
That's
I
alright.
can't tell you how stressed
You
I've
shouldn't
been
get any
over it.
problems with that key.
Yeah,
They're good.
What I'll do is I'll keep this as a spare.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, put that in the drawer somewhere safe.
Yeah, okay.
For backup.
Yeah, I don't mind if you come in.
Oh, I don't mind. I'll just stand here for a second.
Yeah?
That's alright. Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Can I have a
Yeah,
receipt?
sure. Okay, you can pull the card out now.
Yeah,
That's
thank
it. Thank you. And do you have an email address I can send it to? No worries. Any problems, give us a call, right?
Oh, lovely. Thank you
No worries.
so much.
Have a lovely day, alright?
And you.
Take care.